What's up, ABC family? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. My husband's name is Austin. We have 3 little boys, Bentley, Aiden, and Christian. We are the ABC family. And you're probably wondering why we picked the name. Is our kids ABC and Austin's initials is ABC. So, welcome to our channel. If you like all kinds of videos like DIYs, hauls, recipes, my keto journeys on here, anything weight loss, daily vlogs, you name it, we do it. Welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you. Today I am sharing a recipe, a keto recipe, and I have been craving French toast. I said it, French toast. I'm going to be making some keto French toast. It is very, very, very easy. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the ingredients. Of course, you're going to need some cinnamon. You're going to need an egg. You're going to need some heavy whipping cream. And guys, Aldi has their keto bread. Go ahead and pick up some of this. Let me go ahead and show you how I'm going to assemble this, and we're gonna get to cooking because I am starving.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd, feeling alive. I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance.
Also gonna need a little bit of the Swerve brown sugar. It gives it an extra boost. It is amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and crack open this egg. We're gonna put a little bit of heavy whipping cream in there to get that extra fat. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that in. And if you're wondering why I look so bulky, I have a waist trainer on right now. I want to make sure it gets all mixed in there so it doesn't look too stringy or eggy, or what do you call it. And if you hear my dishwasher and my washer at the same time, I am sorry. I've been cleaning all day long. Now you want to go ahead and stick some of your brown sugar. Just a little bit, like a teaspoon. Okay, and go ahead and pour some cinnamon. I like a lot of cinnamon, so about that much. We're gonna mix it till it's all mixed in. And it smells so good. And I'll do the macros on this, of course. I will tell you what it is. Heat up your pan. These, I use the Blue Diamond. I like to spray a little bit of butter, but you really don't have to spray anything on there because it is non-slick and it heats up really fast. And the fun part of the whole thing, we get to soak the bread. I should have put it in a bigger bowl, but it's okay. Now it's gonna cook until it's nice and golden brown. Look how nice and golden brown that is. That is amazing. My favorite syrup would be this monk fruit maple. Absolutely love it. It is only 9 carbs minus 3, which is awesome because I'm trying to get my carb intake for 2 days. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some on there. I don't know why I'm using my Thanksgiving thing, but I love it anyway. So they don't know how much to put on there. Okay, I guess that much. So now I'm gonna try it. I mean, we all know what French toast tastes like, but I've not cooked it with the zero carb bread. Very good, very sweet. This hits the spot. Now I'm gonna tell you the calories and macros on this. So I use this chart and counts all my calories and stuff like that. This was 311 and then 5 carbs. That is amazing for this because this is considered a meal, and I do intermittent fasting, so it's nighttime right now, but I got to get my calories and my macros in for the day. It's really hard. So now I'm going to enjoy this because it's amazing and it just hits that spot. But I hope you guys enjoy this recipe and I hope you try it. It's really good. And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys.